Hi, this video is going to be on how to record credit card processing fee so that you add them on an invoice your customer is going to pay you. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to be really quick. So we go to I'm creating an invoice. So I want to add this fee to this invoice. Now let me go to Fatima. Today's date is 19. Okay, that is the invoice number. So I'm going to select an item here. Let's say I did training. Okay, now the value of that training, let's say, is 1000 for simple understanding, for easy understanding. Now I'm going to select, I created an item and I name it credit card fees. So if I want to go see that, I can go back to list and item list. You see here we have credit card fees. So I double click on that. It's a service type, but I linked it with an expense account. So you can either link it with expense account or income account. But I'm going to explain to us as we go ahead. So okay, I'll select an expense account here. Click on OK. Go back to create invoice. So I'm selecting credit card fees. Yeah, okay. So let's say the merchant is going to charge us. The credit card merchant is going to charge us 3%. So, and you know, if you're going to do 3% of this 1000 and you say, okay, you want to add 30 naira, which is the 3%, the total value is going to increase to 1030 naira, which means they are still going to charge you an extra because if you bring up your calculator now, okay, try to bring up my calculator, or let me use Excel. Okay, over here, if you have the 1030 naira and we want to say 3%, 3 over 100 times this, that is 30. So if you do equal to that figure minus the charges, so we are going to have 999.1. And I'm very sure you don't want to have that because the fee itself is 1000. So I came up with a computation. So and that computation is this. So I'm going to use 3.0928% instead. Okay, now let's take a look at this. Okay, hold on. Okay, let's take a look at this. So if I'm going to change this figure to 15,000, I'm still going to have 15,000 down here. So if I'm going to change it to 25,000, I'm still going to have 25,000 down here. So what did I do? Now I'm going to charge 3.0928% on the invoice amount. Then the merchant is going to charge, this is the total of this. Then the merchant is going to charge 3% squarely, 3%. So at the end of the day, if I do my minus, I still arrive at the amount that I'm expected. So I'm going to make use of that 1000 now. So to charge 3%, which is 3.092. So the value here is 3. I'm going to copy that. 30928. Okay, let's go to 30.928. I'm going to go ahead and input 30.928. Okay, now the value now is 1030.93 kobo. Okay, can go ahead and save and close. Remember, I made use of an expense account to link with this credit card fees. Even though we're supposed to make use of income, you can decide to use an income account to link it to an income account, whichever is best for you. Let me double click again. Just like I have an income account I created earlier. here you see credit card fees. Okay, but for now I want to make use of the expense. Okay, so let's say we are receiving payment for this transaction. So I go to receive payment, and I bring out Fatima. Okay, I'm receiving payment against this last one. Okay, against this last one. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and save and close. Okay, now uh is it was the I received the payment on an undeposited fund. Sorry, I did not point that out. See over here. Okay, I can go back to the previous one. You see that the deposit was made to an undeposited fund. So I'm going to go ahead to make deposit now. Click on banking, make deposit. So over here, I'll select this one, this recent one, Fatima. So I'll click OK. Now it's here. Okay, so here I can put credit card. Okay, 1030 naira 0.93. So I'm going to select same Fatima. Then this time around I'll select what is it again, the expense account, the same expense credit card charges expense account. Okay, so on this the merchant would have charged the 3%. So if you look at this here, this 3% was on this total, and if I'm not mistaken, that's the total that we have 1039.28. So if I go to QuickBook now, we have 1039.93. So because of it was they rounded it to 2 decimal number. Okay, so going back here, definitely after the computation, this is what they are going to remove as the 3%. Okay, 3%. So that is 30.92784. So I'm going to use 3% of that. So I'll go back to QuickBook. Okay, then the value now is 30.93. 30.93. That is 3% of this. So we can just use our computation. Go to this times 3 divided by 100. Okay, what did I let me see. That is 3% of this figure. Okay, so 30.93. So you can just put 30.93 as a negative. Okay, now we're receiving 1000 on our bank account, which is the Sterling bank account. So I'm going to go ahead and save and close. Then I'll pull out the report, go to company financial profit and loss. Now you see there is nothing. This credit card is for a previous example illustration. I'll double click on that. You see there's an in and out for this figure. At the end of the day, there is nothing left. So with this, I can easily know if my computation is wrong, if I've wrongly charged, I was wrongly charged or stuff like that. So this 150 was there before, that is why we still have 150. So but you can see they said that okay, you want to have it as an income and as an expense. In that case, I will double click on this. I'll click on the invoice itself, double click on that to take me back to this invoice. So I'll go to item list, can double click on this credit card fees, then select the income as this. Okay, save and close. Now when I go to the invoice, I save back that transaction, then I go to the report, refresh. Now you see from profit and loss we have income of 30.93 and we have a credit card of 30.93 because of the 150 that was there before. That's why we're seeing 180.93. So with this, you see that you are able to accurately compute for the uh, credit card processing fee that those credit card merchants will charge you whenever you receive payment from a customer via credit card. So instead of them to overcharge you, we're able to go around it and make sure that we charge our customer the correct amount, and then thereafter afterwards the 3% was deducted and we still arrive at the initial original value for our service. If you have any question, you can drop on the comment section. Please like my videos, you can share the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, then turn on your notification so that you get notified as soon as I update any video. See you guys in my next videos and have a wonderful day. Bye.